Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve the problem of After Effects where you get this error message: cached preview needs 2 or more frames for playback. So let's begin the video. Here I have opened an After Effects file, and if I play this file you're going to get the error message: cached preview needs 2 or more frames to playback. So there are a couple of ways to solve this problem. I'm going to show you different ways. Maybe some of them will work for you and some of them won't. The first solution is that first of all, make sure that you save your After Effects file and you're going to quit After Effects, restart your PC, because in most cases a restart of the program and system is going to eventually solve the problem. After restart, we are going to open the same After Effects file, and if I play the file, if you're going to have the same error, then you're going to move to solution number 2. For this, we are going to actually see the RAM usage that After Effects is using. So on the Mac, you're going to press on the After Effects button, go to settings, and here you're going to press on memory and performance. In Windows, I think it's in file preferences, and then you're going to get to this memory and performance menu. Here make sure that After Effects is selected and available RAM is actually whatever it is. So make sure that for other applications you only select 5 GB and the rest of the RAM should be for Premiere Pro. So if you have 32 gigs of RAM, 5 GB should be reserved for others, and around I would say 27 GB should be used by After Effects. But if you have like say 8 GB of RAM, then you should give 3 GB or 2 GB to other applications. Right here just type 2 and the remaining should be for After Effects. So let's say you're going to reserve 30% for your system and the 70% should be given to After Effects, and after that this should solve your problem. The third solution is that you're going to press on the edit menu, go to purge, press on all memory and disk cache, and here it's going to say, are you sure you want to delete all files 10.1 GB in my case from disk cache. So basically you're going to clean out After Effects disk cache, which may be causing the bottlenecks in playing back your After Effects file. So we're going to press on OK, and it's going to clean the extra After Effects cache files. So the fourth solution is to actually go to composition and press on composition settings, and here under duration make sure that at least 10 seconds is set for the composition duration, because if you have a very small duration then this error may occur. In my case it is 33 seconds. In your case, if it is showing 1 or 2, make sure to type at least 10 or more. So I know that this isn't the problem. So the final solution that actually worked for me, because all the above solutions work for many people, but the final solution that actually worked for me is that I haven't selected much on the timeline. So if I actually press on this bar right here, and if I zoom in and zoom in more, you can see that actually the selection area for the timeline is I think so less than a second. It's around 1 millisecond if I'm right. So that is the reason that was causing my problem. So all you need to do is to expand it and go at least 2 seconds or above and something like that, and now your work area is around 5 seconds or so. You can increase it as much as you want. And now if I play this animation on After Effects, you can see that the animation is playing perfectly alright and the problem has been solved. So yeah guys, these are the different solutions that you can use to solve the problem that cache preview needs 2 or more frames for playback in After Effects. If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below. And if you're having problem in rendering your Premiere Pro videos, then you should check out the videos that are appearing here. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.